Panah from class 7B studying in secular school Moga. Today I am going to show you how to make pizza. These are the ingredients. This is salt, mozzarella cheese, chili flakes, onions, tomatoes, capsicum. Instead of mayonnaise, I have used full fat cream because it is healthier. This is Fun Foods pizza topping, oregano, and this is atta pizza base. So I'm gonna apply. I have already made the mixture of the vegetables. I'm gonna apply the full fat cream to the pizza base. Now I'm going to put this pizza topping. I'm going to put this mixture on it.
3.
Now I'm going to apply this mozzarella cheese. Now I'm going to add the chili flakes and oregano. Now I'm going to put this pizza in the air fryer for 7 to 8 minutes on 180 degrees temperature. The pizza is ready and it looks so yummy.